In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find and see old stories here on Facebook. If this guide does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you do have any questions throughout this entire process, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But in order to go ahead and do this, begin by opening up Facebook. And if you don't know, after 24 hours, your Facebook story does expire, but you can actually still see it. Here's exactly how. Begin by clicking on the menu icon down at the very bottom, and you're going to want to scroll down on this page just a little bit, and you're going to see a settings and privacy option. Go ahead and select settings and privacy, and it's going to open up a page that looks something like this. You're going to want to choose recent. You're going to want to choose settings up at the very top. Now, once you do get on the settings tab right here, what you're going to want to do is actually just scroll down just a little bit until you see an option that does say activity log. This is going to be under the your activity section. Select it just like so, and up in the very like kind of top left-ish of the middle of the screen, if you just close out this section, you're going to see an option for archive. Go ahead and select that and choose story archive. From here, this is going to show you all of your old stories. Just keep in mind you do need to have archives on in order to see these, otherwise it's not going to work. Yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.